Today we got a video from Crime Time Cam, and the title of the video is entitled "Couple Dragged Out of Hotel Over Disgusting Behavior."
On November 7, 2025, officers responded to a hotel for a call of a couple causing a disturbance.
Stop putting on the door like that.
Police department.
What's going on, man?
What's going on?
Nothing.
What's going on?
I don't know what's going on with you.
Can I come in?
No, you cannot.
So we gotta call. Well, I'm gonna go in.
Oh, well, you're not going to go in.
I am gonna go and make sure everyone's okay.
Everything's okay.
So
It's
why-
fine. We're having an argument, and it was just not appropriate. And I understand that you got...
Okay, I'm gonna go in
Going for what?
to make sure everyone's okay. So move.
All right. Well, you don't have to push me.
Well, you're in the way.
You don't have to push me.
You're in the way. So open up the door.
All right. Do you want me to open up the door?
Yes, I want you to open up the door.
What
Can I
happened?
talk to you? Can I make sure everyone's
No,
okay?
we don't want to talk. And you know what? So goodbye. Have a good day.
No, we're gonna.
No, we don't actually. No, actually. No,
We're
you
gonna
can't
talk.
do that. No, that's against the law. No, that's actually against the law. You have a warrant? You have a
We're
warrant?
just trying to talk.
You have a warrant?
We're just trying to talk.
No. Who called? No, do you have a warrant? No, Jason, I know everybody. School today.
what's going
I was gonna be a cop. Do you have a warrant? No, nothing's going on. Stop.
You come over here.
Do you have a warrant? Do you guys have a warrant? Yes or no? No.
No, ma'am.
Do you have a warrant? We are
Okay, let us do
good.
our job, and we're gonna talk.
No, let me do my job. Do you have a warrant?
No, we don't.
Okay. All right.
Don't touch me. No, you can't.
Please,
You
come on.
can't touch me.
Come on here.
No.
Okay.
Yeah.
No.
You don't have a warrant. No.
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands.
No, you're
behind
going
your
inside.
back.
No.
Put your hands. You're
No.
under arrest.
No. You're going inside and you don't have a warrant. No.
Stop.
No, you can't do this shit to me. I'm gonna sue you guys. You guys are. I hope you have your camera. You have your camera
Yes,
right
it's
now.
on. It is on.
Yeah. You guys are. Like literally, you are not supposed to do that.
Well, if you want to just talk like this and start blocking him.
Who called? That's my man right there. That's his dad. What the f? You guys are stupid. You guys are stupid. You guys are gonna get sued. Fine. Take me. Yeah, do it. Retard. No, don't. Ow!
Stop. You're on the ground.
It's fine. Oh, it's fine. No, wait, stop. I don't. You arrest me. It's not a big deal. How? What the? Dude. No, dude. Hey, can you look at me really quick?
Look at
Come
you.
here. Come here.
What?
Look at. This is the one that was distressed. That's why they called the cops right there. Look at me.
Put your arm behind your back.
I will.
Stop resisting.
I did it! Can you tell me? I'm telling you who was distressed. Look at her, right there. You fucking retard. Can you look right now? Can you look right now, you idiot? Can you look right now? No! No! Look at my friend! No! Look at my friend now! My friend was...
What's going on?
Are you guys okay?
Can you talk to me over here? Can you talk to me over here? Come on.
Handcuffs on me.
I think it's for both of us. Here. All right, helmet,
Yeah,
legs. Go ahead.
Acting like animals in front of your kids? Unfreaking believable, man. Unbelievable. I get it. Parents argue, you know what I'm saying? That's a part of life, right? You know what I mean? Every relationship has arguments and stuff like that. But typically, parents try to keep it a little bit more under control when they're such in close quarters with the child. At least I would assume good parents do. You know what I'm saying? I mean, to let it spill out like this, and obviously they're probably intoxicated or whatever the case may be. Man, those kids is probably just like, just another day. And it's sad that they it's probably like that. You know what I mean? Because these guys are acting like complete dickheads. I don't get it.
Let's get that helmet on. You keep saying that. Yes, wash your legs.
And why is she dressed like that in front of two men, too? Got her things all out and everything. I'm like, what the hell?
Hey, man, stop.
Yeah.
Hook up that thing on his mouth.
Yeah.
Just in case. One thing over 5 minutes.
Y'all are big.
This way? Yeah, towards that way. Towards me, towards you. Ready? 1, 2, 1. Behind his back, dude. Behind his back. Get up, Diaz. Get up.
What? I can't. Goddamn fucking bullshit. Are you serious right now?
They got him wrapped like he in a cocoon.
Oh, really? Really, dude? I kidding me right now. I don't care. I don't give a shit.
Oh, this one goes down here.
Okay, sweet pea.
Should be another strap.
Whatever you say. Oh. Oh. You look like your girl you. No? Oh, you're gay? Oh, okay. You got a boyfriend? All right, cool.
Hold on, I need to take this one.
Just lean him back a little bit. Yep.
No.
We got room to do it here. Can you breathe?
You good?
No, I don't care.
Can you
I don't
breathe?
care. I don't care if I can breathe or not. I don't give a shit. What do you care for? I said, what do you care for?
Make sure you can breathe.
No, you don't give a shit. I'm a piece of shit, right? I'm a evil piece of shit, right?
Start going. We gotta go use the stairs, man. Elevator.
We're past.
You can't go.
We'll bring him down.
No.
Put her in the wrap.
No.
All right, listen. Take a deep breath. Take a deep breath. You don't go place in the wrap.
You
don't be in
have
the
that.
wrap.
You have the camera on.
I do.
Yeah. You.
Okay, you go.
You.
Be
No, you guys are assholes.
Just put her in the
Really?
wrap. Yeah.
No. Don't touch me. Do not touch
Are you gonna walk?
I will, but like.
Okay, then let's walk. Place in the wrap.
No,
You
I
can't.
didn't do anything.
I'm giving you two options. You're either walk.
Dude, I
or place in
didn't
the
do
wrap.
nothing.
Okay, let's walk.
No.
We will bring them down.
They're down the ground.
No, don't touch me. No, don't touch me. Hey, you got fucking camera. No.
Yeah.
No, don't touch me. Do not touch me. No. Do not touch me. Really? Oh yeah, I hope you get something out of this.
Yeah, get the ankle first.
You're really gonna put me in? You fucking assholes. You little assholes. You guys are Harden. Oh my god. You guys might be the most retarded people ever. I didn't even do shit. Like, are you?
This ad is presented by yours truly. I just want to let you know that I love you and I appreciate you for supporting this YouTube channel. I also want to let you know that for exclusive drops and early releases, go to patreon.com/ShyGotEm. That's patreon.com/ShyGotEm. The link is also in the description section. Let's get back to the video.
This is so retarded. Well, I hope you guys have all your cameras on because I'm gonna sue you guys for nothing.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh my god, you guys are retarded.
All right, this way.
You guys are really. I could walk. You guys are so stupid. Thanks, guys. I hope it's. Yeah. Stay strong. You guys are gonna get in fucking trouble. Don't worry, I'm gonna sue you, ass. Don't worry about it. I'm the wrong person to take. I didn't even do shit. Oh, yeah. You know what?
She better hope.
Wait on your ass.
Get this tightened up.
No, I'm gonna just keep waiting on this dumbass.
If she start wiggling, hey, that might cause him to slip and fall down the stairs.
I'm gonna make you guys struggle. Don't worry about it. Okay. Don't worry.
Don't, I wouldn't wiggle.
Yep. Yeah, I know you guys are. Yep. You know that's strong enough. We get it. You. I hope you have all that shit. I'm gonna pick on the camera.
Well, you broke my camera, so.
Everyone else has a camera, right? Yeah. You guys have a ticket. Oh yeah. Oh, look at him. He can't even breathe. What kind of cop is he? Thank God I wasn't a cop.
Yeah,
And look at this one over here, just walking around. Yeah, dumbasses, get this in right before me. I'm gonna call my lawyer tomorrow, don't worry.
What's his name?
Francis, don't worry about it. You guys are retarded. You guys took the wrong person. You guys took the wrong person. Like, literally. Retard. Then bring him down here so I can say goodbye to him, you asshole.
We're past that point.
You said you did.
Past that point.
No, you said you would.
I never said that.
You won't, dude. The cameras.
they got one hell of a workout in, boy.
Like, what are you doing to me? Are you serious right now? You're taking the wrong person. Honestly, you're gonna get sued. I swear to God.
You want to get one on the other side? Yeah, he's going to go on that side.
Like, please. Hey, who's the sergeant right now? Who's the sergeant? Oh, please. No. Like, come on. You guys are assholes. Okay, who's the sergeant here now?
I got it.
Who's the now? Who's the... are you the sergeant? No. Then who's the sergeant right now? Because it's only that I can see the kid.
The man and woman were both charged with battery on law enforcement and resisting arrest. Thanks for watching today's.
All of that was unnecessary, man. All of that was unnecessary. I feel bad for the kids, man. Listen, as a child, you know, any person in general, you know what I mean? You don't pick your kids. I mean, you don't pick your parents. Your parents pick you, man. And they was born into this. This is insane here, man. Be able to keep it somewhat under control around the kids, man. Just a little bit. So they can have a peace of mind. But whatever. I think the officers did pretty good, man. I like that they actually wrapped her up because she's just gonna be a headache, man. And hey, who needs the gym when you got to work out like that? You know what I'm saying? Those guys definitely made their money worth that night. So yeah, I'm gonna get a cops 4 out of 5, man. I think they did a pretty good job. And hopefully them, you know, unfortunately, that's gonna be a night the kids will never forget, you know, but hopefully they could get in a better situation or something like that. Or the parents could smarten up, man, and just, it's not worth it. Not when you got the kids around, you know, whatever you do on your own time is like, all right, but when you got the kids around, it's like, let's try to keep it under control a little bit. You know what I'm saying? So anyway, like I said, 4 out of 5 from me. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.